Matthew from Matthew Lester Website Design. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit an order. Perhaps you want to add an extra item to the order, remove an item, or change the product details. Perhaps you're adding a discount, what have you. But you want to edit an order. First thing to do is to open the order in Shopify so you can see the order details. Up at the top, click the edit link. And this is where you're able to change any of the details here. So what I want to do is I want to change the actual product that is here. Now, if the customer has already paid for this order or you've captured their payment, the best thing to do if you're changing anything that's going to alter the price of the order, it's better to cancel the order completely and then have the customer place a new order, because it does get into some problem with shipping and then half of a refund, or you're trying to collect more funds if the product is a lot higher. It's just a big mess. So it's better to just cancel the order completely, refund the order, and then place a new one. Now, if you haven't captured any of the payment, then you can go ahead and make any alterations that you want and then send the customer the invoice. So for this one, I'm going to add the new item first. And I'm going to remove the one that I do not want. And then once I'm finished, I should go down to the bottom and type in the reason for the edit. Now, this is only for you or your staff to see. The customer doesn't see this text. Changed order by customer. Okay. And then once I've changed the order to how I want it, and if I'm restocking that product, you want to click restock. If you don't want to restock that item, perhaps it was an out of stock item that they changed. So just be aware that this is a checkbox that you need to be mindful of. I'm going to restock that. On the right hand side, if I click send invoice, it's actually going to send the new invoice to the customer. I'm going to uncheck that because I'm not going to send them an invoice. Update. And now you have an updated order. And that's how to change an order in Shopify. If you need to make any edits to the order because the customer has asked you to, or you just need to do something with the change of the customer. Now, if it's a customer who needs to update their information, you can also do that by clicking edit contact. So let's say, for example, a customer put in a wrong email address. They're not getting your emails. And so you've realized that the customer has an incorrect email. You can also adjust that here. Shipping address can also be adjusted if there is a mistake in the shipping, or the phone number. And when you've done all your edits, it should automatically save this order for you, and then you're ready to go. So that's how to change an order in Shopify. Hope this helped. It's Matthew Lester from Matthew Lester Website Design. If you guys like the video, give me a comment. Give me a like. And I'll see you in the next video.